Hello friends, today we are going to learn about classification of functions. Based on the parameters and return value, functions can be categorized into four types. First one, function without argument and without return type. Second one, function without argument and with return type. Third one, function with argument and with return type. Fourth one, function with argument and without return type. In this way, there is a classification of functions. Function is classified into four types according to parameters and return values, means according to the prototype of function. For example, we know whenever we are going to use function, first we have to declare a function. Now let us have declaration of one function. Suppose I declare function void sum and in bracket void. In this function is going to return nothing, and function is it has no parameter, means this comes into above first category, function without argument in bracket, this one is void, and here function without return type. Therefore this prototype belongs to above first category. Then second one, function without argument, means I will write my function name sum. Without arguments means there will be no argument. In this way I have written void in bracket. And function with return type, here this function I have written that this function is going to return integer type of value, means function without argument void in bracket and with return type integer in this case. Therefore this one will fall into above second category. Third one is function with argument, means in bracket of function, here I will write argument. Here I have written int comma int, means this function is going to take two arguments. Both will have data type integer, and with return type means this function is going to return integer type of value. This is a return type, and this is nothing but list of arguments with their data type. Here there will be two arguments with data type int same, and in this way this will fall into above third category. Next one is function with argument, means here sum is a function we have already seen. With argument I will return here two arguments, and without return type, here return type will be void. If you understand here, return type of this function, matlab third function is int, and here return type is void, means this function is going to return nothing, means function without return type. Therefore this one last one falls into above fourth category. We will write above fourth category. In this way function can be written in four ways. Function without argument and with return value. Here we have seen first one, this is nothing but a first type of prototype. This one is above second type of prototype. This is above third type, and this one is above fourth type. Same or any function can be written either one of these four ways specified. In this way we have seen four types of prototypes or four types of classification of function. Now let us understand the same with the help of example. Here for example, let us take example for the prototype first one. What is there in this prototype? Function returns nothing, means without return type, and function has no parameter, no argument, means without argument. Let us understand this first. First one we have to write function prototype. Here function prototype is like this. First one we have to write prototype of function void sum void. Now in this way we have written function prototype, first prototype. Then int main. First one directly I am going to call a function. This is nothing but a function call sum. From here control we have to define function void return type of a function, name of function sum. Function is taking no argument, and here body of a function. In this body of function three variables are declared: integer n1, n2 and result. Now cout, enter two numbers, cin n1 and n2 will be read, then addition of both will be performed. Result is equal to n1 plus n2. Cout, c is small, cout addition is equal to, then value of result will be displayed, and here get ch. Now in this way, in this example, this is nothing but a function prototype. This is function prototype. This is function call. Initially, program will start execution from main. Immediately inside main there is a function call. Therefore, this will cause control to pass to the function definition. This is function definition. Here function definition. Then in the function definition, three variables have been declared. Message will be displayed like this. This will be the output. Enter two numbers. This type of message will be displayed. User will enter two numbers, for example 10 and 20, and then n1 will have value 10, n2 will have value 20. The addition of 10 and 20 will be stored into result, and this is the statement where we are going to display result. Addition is equal to 30, and this will read character from get ch is used to read a character from user. As long as character is not given by user, it will allow us to see the output. This is nothing but the first we have seen implementation of first type of classification of function, means without return type and without argument. This is nothing but without return type and without argument. This is no return type and this is no argument. Now next one is integer sum, means here function is going to return integer type of value, or in function is going to return value, and here in this case function has no argument. Therefore, let us see the implementation of second type of prototype here. Second type of prototype, let us have a look at this prototype. Integer sum and void. First one, we have to declare a function integer sum. Integer means function is going to return value and function has no parameter, therefore in bracket void. Now I am going to write here void main, means function is going to return nothing. Main function will return nothing. Then integer result variable has been declared. Then this is a function call. Result is equal to sum. Then cout addition is equal to result, and then get ch. We have to define function here. Function has return type int. Then function sum, function is taking no argument, therefore void. Here we have to, now I am going to declare two variables here, integer n1 comma n2. Then message will be displayed, enter two numbers. Numbers will be stored into n1, first number in n1 and second number into n2, and then return statement, return n1 plus n2. Directly I am going to return this result. Now let us see the working of this program. This is nothing but a function declaration. Program execution will start from main. We have declared one variable result. This is nothing but a function call. This will cause control to pass here. Let us see, control will be transferred here at function definition. This is nothing but function definition. In function definition, two variables have been declared, local variables. These are nothing but local variables. Why locals? Because these two variables are only available into this sum function. This message will be displayed. I'm going to write output here, enter two numbers. User will enter two numbers, for example 10 and 30. First number will be stored into n1, second number will be stored into n2, and here we are going to return n1 plus n2, means the resultant value is 30 will be given back to, see, the function of return will be given back to the function call. This is a function call, means this return 30 means 30 will replace this function call, and here we can write here 30 is going to be passed to this particular, and this will assign value to result. In this way this will assign value 30 to this particular result, and we are going to write over here cout addition is equal to result, means addition is equal to 30 is nothing but the output. This is nothing but the second type of function. Now let us understand third type of function. In third type of function, function returns a value and the function has two parameters, means function with arguments and with return type. Now let us understand here. First one, we have to declare a function. Function with return type here int, and function has parameters. In this case there are two parameters. Now let us write void main, then here three variables I will declare, integer type of variables n1, n2 and result. Then message will be displayed, enter two numbers. First number will be stored into n1, second number will be stored into n2. Here I am going to call a function result is equal to sum. I am passing two parameters. First parameter is n1 and second parameter is n2. This is a function call. Now let us see how it will work. This function call will cause control to pass to the function definition. Now let us understand function definition. My function is going to return integer type of value. Function is going to take two parameters here. First parameter will be stored into x, second parameter will be stored into y. Now here I am going to declare one more variable, integer n is equal to x plus y. I will return n. Now let us understand this. This is nothing but a function prototype. This is also known as function declaration, function prototype. Now program execution will start from main. Here three variables have been declared, n1, n2 and result. This message will be displayed. Let us write here output of a program. Message will be displayed. First message will be there, enter two numbers. This will happen because of this one, enter two numbers. User will enter two numbers, for example 30 and 10. First number will be stored into n1, second will be stored into n2. Immediately after this there is a function call. This is nothing but a function call. I will write here function call. This will transfer control here. Whenever control is transferred here, then n1's value will be copied into x, n2's value will be copied into y. n1 and 2 arguments we are passing here are actual arguments. n1 and n2 are actual arguments, or we can say parameters, and x and y means parameters which are there inside function definition. Means here okay, these are nothing but formal parameters. X and y are formal parameters. In this way, x will have value of n1, y will have value of n2. Third variable means this local variable is declared over here in function definition sum. This is a local variable. X 30 plus y 10. Addition will be performed and result will be given to n. And I am going to return value of n over here. What value of n we are going to return? Value of n is nothing but the x plus y means 30 plus 10 40. Now this n means value will be given to function call, and function call means 40 will be the value which will be placed at the place of function call, and from here it will be assigned to result, and value of result we will have to display now as a result. Therefore here we can write cout addition equal to here result, and here I should write get ch to see the output, or to wait the screen to get input character from user. This is nothing but a third type of function. Now let us understand fourth type of function. See, we are going to do the same functionality or same task by using different types of functions, means with different types of prototypes of function. Now what is the fourth? Let us understand fourth type of prototype. Now fourth type of function is function without return type, without return value, and function with parameters. Function void is nothing but function is going to return nothing without return type, and function will have two arguments, integer and integer will be their data type. Let us understand this. First I have declared two variables, integer n1 and n2. Then enter two numbers. Now I am going to call a function and two arguments will be passed to function n1 and n2. Now this is function definition, integer x comma integer y, integer result Now let us understand this example. This is nothing but a fourth type of function prototype. Here we have seen this is a fourth type of prototype. Now this is function prototype. Program start execution from main. In main, two variables have been declared n1 and n2. Let us write here output. First one, enter two numbers. This message will be displayed. Enter two numbers. Now what you will do, you will enter two numbers, for example 30 and 10, and then you will press enter key. First number will be stored into n1, second will be stored into n2. This is nothing but a function call. We are passing here two values, n1 and n2. N1 will be copied into x and n2 will be copied into y. Therefore value of x will become 30 and value of y will become 10. Now here this is nothing but a function definition. Then in function definition, local variable has been declared. This is a local variable result. Value of x and y addition will be performed of x and y. Result will be given to result variable, this variable. Addition of both will be performed. That addition will be 40, and we are going to display here addition is equal to result, means our output will be addition is equal to 40, and this will cause screen to wait to get input character from user. In this way here we have used four types of prototypes along with their examples. Thank you.